May 2023, UN experts today urged Cambodian authorities to ensure an inclusive, genuine, and peaceful electoral process, in full respect of human rights, including rights to freedom of assembly, association and expression for all political actors, civil society and voters. We are alarmed by the restrictions imposed on the right of political parties to participate in elections, the experts said, calling for the upcoming general elections in July 2023 to be held in accordance with the minimum standards for free and fair elections. This is essential to ensure the freely expressed will of the Cambodian people. They noted that just last week, the National Election Committee of Cambodia, NEC, rejected the registration of the Candlelight Party and of the Khmer United Great Nation Party to run in the 23rd of July national election. Citing non-compliance with electoral laws, regulations and NEC notifications, the NEC emphasized modalities that appear to have discriminated against one or more of the country's main political parties, the experts said, coupled with intimidation of opposition members. This could be interpreted as a further restriction on political participation, they said. An inclusive democracy, lasting peace and sustainable development require an environment for effective autonomous women's movements to anchor universal human rights standards in political and public life, they said. The experts reiterated their call on the Cambodian authorities to immediately release Mr. Kem Sokha, subject of the opinion of the Working Group on Arbitrary Detention, and other opposition party members from detention, and to ensure full respect for human rights, including the right to a fair trial and full participation in the conduct of political affairs. We are concerned that freedom of expression and freedom of the press continue on a downward path, they said. The experts urged the Cambodian authorities to rescind the decision to revoke the license of the Voice of Democracy, to protect the civil and political rights of all and to ensure an enabling environment for civil society, including independent media. Ends.